हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं BL शर्मा, मैथ सर, डिस्कसिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 of exercise 7.2 of the chapter number 7 coordinate geometry of class 10th NCERT mathematics. For this question we need a section formula, and this is section formula. You know, x is equal to mh2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y coordinate, that is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So now the question number 4 is on your screen. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. हमें उस रेशियो को पता करना है जिसमें ये -1, 6 पॉइंट -3, 10 और 6, -8 पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करने वाली लाइन को डिवाइड करेगा. लेट हियर यू कैन से द पॉइंट -3, 10 दैट इज लेट, दिस इज पॉइंट A. 6, -8 दैट इज पॉइंट B. और ये पॉइंट हमारा, आई कैन मार्क हियर, लेट दिस पॉइंट इज P. So I can say here, I will write here, late point P, whose coordinates are -1, 6, divides AB in the ratio k:1. और k:1 you can say m:n. यहाँ पे in place of m we can write k, in place of n we can write n. आप m:n भी आप ले सकते हैं, but generally we use k:1 ratio. So using section formula says that x coordinate is given by mh2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. x coordinate हमें दे रखा है, रेशियो नहीं दे रखा है. m:n हमें नहीं दे रखा है. So for the x coordinate, what is x coordinate here? -1. So -1 is equal to, what is m? M is k. In place of m you take k, and then in place of n you take 1. So m is equal to k. x2 is 6 plus n is 1, x1 is -3 upon k plus 1. देखिए, x, that is x is -1, m is k, x2 is 6 plus n is 1, x1 is -3, so this is -3, then m plus n, that is k plus 1. On cross multiplication, -k -1 is equal to 6k -3. On further simplification, k is equal to, that is I can write k is equal to 2/7. Right, because 7k will be equal to 2, so the value of k will be 2/7. In this also, for the y coordinate, what is the value of y? Y is 6. So putting y is equal to 6, m is equal to again k, and y2 is -8, y2 is -8, n is 1, and y1 is 10, divided by k plus 1. k की जगह आप, हमने m की जगह k लिया है, और in place of n we are writing 1 here. So on cross multiplication, that is 6k plus 6 is equal to -8k plus 10. On further simplification, that is k is equal to 2/7. So here find out that in both the cases, the value of K is 2/7. So what is the ratio here? The ratio is K is to 1. So M is to 1 is equal to 2/7. Therefore, K is to 1 is 2/7 is to 1. Or you can say that is 2/7 or 2/7 or M is to N is 2:7. तो जो K का रेशियो है K is to 1 means 2/7 और 2/7. Therefore क्वेश्चन में ये पूछा कि in which ratio it divides. We can say so the required ratio is 2/7 आंसर. सो ये पॉइंट पी है. इस ए बी को 2:7 रेशियो में डिवाइड करेगा. मींस ए टू पी इफ इट इज 2 देन के टू बी सॉरी पी टू बी दैट विल बी 7. So that's all for this question. Thank you.